The Fanttik Slim V9 car vacuum is a compact handheld cleaner that excels at tackling crumbs and dust in tight spots like car consoles, vents, and keyboard crevices rather than whole rooms. Its 4-in-1 design lets you switch between vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and deflating, so one small tool handles everything from car interiors to air mattresses and computer gear. The brushless motor delivers strong suction for its size and is engineered for better durability and efficiency than many budget handheld models. A clear digital display shows remaining battery and suction mode at a glance, making it easy to manage power and avoid surprise shutdowns during detailed cleaning. Despite its solid performance, the unit stays very light and slim with an ergonomic handle, so extended spot cleaning sessions are comfortable and easy to control. Conveniences like one-button dust emptying, a transparent bin, and universal USB Type-C charging make this vacuum straightforward to maintain and keep ready for quick cleanups.